Okay everybody, if you're watching this video, I just want to tell you thank you so much for clicking that link. Thank you for coming onto my channel to see what this video is all about. So today, this will be my first vlog. I'll be doing a vlog on some Tory Burch merch and some Fashion Nova stuff that I grabbed. So it's basically a Tory Burch and a Fashion Nova haul. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. As I said, this is my first time. Feel free to leave your comments below, as I would love to know how best I can improve myself and improve on my videos as well, right? So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys is my Tory Burch stuff that I got. So in this cute little package, I love their packaging. It's like you don't want to throw it away, how well designed it is. This is a nice bracelet. It's very cute, black and gold. Let me bring that a little closer so you guys can see. It opens like this. Very nice stuff, elegant. Depends on what you're wearing with it. If you're wearing well, this can be worn with everything. Me, for one, I love dresses, so I know I'll be wearing it soon with the dress. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to show you guys. Secondly, I want to show you guys this other cute little number. It's in that cute bag. Look at the bag, and it has like the logo here. Very nice stuff. Alright, so this one is like a charm bracelet, and who doesn't love a charm bracelet? Very nice quality. It's very thick and heavy. It has some cute pendants on it, like different designs. This is really nice. I can't wait to wear this one. I love a charm bracelet. It's called the Snack Charm Bracelet. Just in case you want to know the name of it, so you can go cop one. It's a Snack Charm bracelet. I must say, for me, yeah, Tory Burch can be a bit pricey and stuff, but I like to mix my stuff. Like, I like to wear, even if I wear some stuff that are fairly cheap or reasonable, I like to spruce it up and pair it up with like some top-notch quality designer items, so you know, make my outfit more stand out. This one is another Tory Burch accessory. It's a cute earring that's designed like a key. Hopefully you guys can see this design. Very nice. Let me see if I can get off one of these to show you guys a more in-depth look at it. Okay, here we go. So it's like a key with locks and keys. I like this. Very nice, very cute. Alright, so those were the little mini accessories that I got from Tory Burch. Let me just put this away. Alright, so in this nice package here is a beautiful leather handbag. Here we go. Very nice stuff. It's all leather, so you know the durability of this is superb. I don't think I can outwear this one. Inside has enough pockets and stuff. It's really nice, and it's leather, so you know, I love me a leather bag. Like, I prefer to buy like one leather bag than buying multiple, like 3 bags that aren't leather. I prefer to buy just like one leather bag. I think it's more economical in the long run, and I think it's a better buy. If you're thinking long term, I like to think long term. Alright, so these were some of the stuff. Now let's get on to these sandals. Who doesn't love a Tory Burch sandals? I do. So, of course, you know the boxes are so pretty. So in this one this one comes with like a little cute shoe bag. As you can see here, comes with a nice little shoe bag in it. And let's see what we got here. Okay, so this one is a black sandal. Let me pull off this so you guys can see it a little better. Here we go. Ooh, This is nice, honey. This is cute. You know, black goes with everything. Who doesn't love a black sandal? Tory Burch at that. So that's really cute. That's the perfect black / gold sandal. If you want to look that up, I'll provide the links in the description below. So after you're through watching this video, you can go ahead and look at that. This one is, oh, I'm not really a silver person, but let me tell you something. With this one, I will be getting myself some silver accessories. Very nice. You know, it's metallic, and Tory Burch carry leather stuff. So this is really nice, and the bottom of it is very thick, and it's like knitted with straw around it. So that's a good thing. Can't wait to wear this one. Yeah, they come with some like little tips on how to care them as well. Tell you that it's leather, and you know, you gently wipe it with a damp cloth, etc. So that's really nice. I love my Tory Burch sandal. Okay, let me put this away. So that's number 2, right? Now the third one is the Miller Espadrille sandal, Mauve metallic. Packaging is nice, like I mentioned before. Okay, and then this one is the pretty gold. Anyone knows me know how much I love gold. It's like gold just makes me pop, makes my skin pop, make my melanin pop. Like, I love a gold sandal. So this is it. Let me bring it closer for you guys to see it. This is it. Very nice. Can't wait to wear this one. More goes with everything. And they're very comfortable too when I try them on. Very comfortable to wear. Okay guys, so those were the Tory Burch merch that I got recently. Looking forward to wearing them. You can always follow my Instagram and my Facebook. On my Instagram I am arieltwhite, and on my Facebook I am arieltwhite. So you can go ahead and follow me on those social media platforms to see how I wear these and what pieces I put together to make them stand out. Alright, so moving on to the Fashion Nova merch that I got recently. This one is really nice. It's like a blue romper. It's a blue chiffon romper, right? As I said before, I provide the links in the description below and the description of the items in case you guys want to get them. I love a romper because rompers you can dress up, dress down. You can wear them with sandals, you can wear them with heels, and they still go well. So I love a romper, especially a unique color like this one. So Fashion Nova did it well with this one. I really like this one. Moving on to 2 tops that I got from them as well. This is like a bodysuit. What grabbed my attention on it was what was written on it. It says catch flights, not feelings. You know what I'm saying, girl? So I really like this one. It's always on the go bodysuit. Very pretty. It's mauve. Can't wait to wear these ones. Looking forward to that. The second top that I bought recently on Fashion Nova is this one. It's an olive top, but what I love the most, what stood out the most with me with this top is the cut at the bottom. It has like a little unique cut at the bottom. It's like curved. Can you guys see it? It's very cute, and I like the material. It's like stretchy spandex type material. I really like that. Now I bought myself 2 lovely dresses from Fashion Nova as well. And if you know me, you know how much I love a dress. I don't know why, but I really love dresses. So let me show you the first one. So this one is like a ivory floral print dress. It's like it's a maxi dress. So basically it's like this. This is the front of it. It has like cuts at the side, and a tie at the top. And this is the back of the dress. It has a zipper right here, and just like this. So I know this will go really well going for dinner. Certain occasions I can wear this. I love my maxi dress. I can't wait to wear these stuff. I will definitely be posting pictures on these. And lastly, this one is the Hideaway Ombre dress, a pink combo. Whew, this color is pretty, honey. This is nice. Ugh. Oh my god. It's a similar cut to the ivory one that I just showed you guys. Similar cut, basically the same cut, different color. I really love this. Anything with bright colors, I really love. I believe bright colors say a lot about your personality too. That's just my opinion. So I love this dress. Can't wait to wear it. So guys, like I said before, don't be afraid to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, right? Because I really want to get some feedback on how I can improve myself, improve my videos, and possibly any ideas that you guys may have that I can use to do my next vlog. I am really excited and I can't wait to share with you guys. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I am arieltwhite on Instagram, arieltwhite on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching.